Hello friends, today I will show you about Unelma movies, what is Unelma movies and how to log in Unelma movies. First of all, you can go Google and search unelmamovie.com. After searching Unelma movie, you can see their register here. If you have not account in Unelma movie, you can click the register here bottom. Then you can put your email, passport, confirm passport. Then you can click the register button. Then your account will be created on Unelma movie. If you have already account, then you can click login. Then you can put your email, your passport, and click the login button. Unelma movies is that where you can see what movies is releasing in theater now. Then you can see your serial series also, which is your best series. You can see there also which series is top. Then people means actor, which actor you like most, that actor details will be there in people. You can search in people, your actor details will become news means there are news about actors. First of all, I say you about movies. Scroll down. Coming soon, releasing in theater. That movies are releasing in theater now. That movies are releasing in theater now. Mm, any day you don't know what movies in releasing in theater, that time you can search in Unelma movies. You can see that movies trailer also. That movie highest rated movie. Which movie is highest rated movies? Then you can see Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, The Saint, The Godfather, Your Name, Spider-Man, etc. Highest rated TV shows. Highest rated TV. Black Clover, Arrows, The Flash, etc. Then you can see here series. In series, which which type of series you can see? Like drama, action, thrill, comedy, science fiction, horror, etc. You can see there. You can see there, and you can search here also which type of series you can see, what that name you can search. You can see there, search for movies, TV show and people. You can type there and you can search. Now I want to say people, which people you can search here. You can see here Johnny Depp. See biography about Johnny Depp. You can see many actor. You can search here and you can see any actor details, when he was born and when he has death, which movies is first, etc. You can search here in people. News. In news you can get news about movies or actor, which actor is top and which is coming movies of this actor. Latest news you can see here. If you not understand anything in Unelma movie, you can comment in our comment box.